So coming out later this month is automations. This is where you take your AI agents and just put them on steroids. An example of this one is for this networking event, what I've done is I've created a type form on my homepage. I've saved it on my phone, and to capture key information about the event when I meet with someone. I'll show an example. So while at the event or any networking event, I can add more steps to it. I put in where did we meet, a photograph with the name badge of the person, a photo together, contact information that I can put in here, interests in our different products and services, any notes, some follow-up actions, and then additional notes for internal use, which I just record as an audio note. With that information, every time that form is filled out, it then will automatically push that data through to Airtable and then automatically push data through to Go high level things like creating the contact and adding tasks and follow-ups and so forth. But I then get one of the AI agents to actually write an email to that person. And I also grab the photo that we had together and then write that email and put it into the drafts folder within Outlook so I can do any final edits before sending off the email. This is an example of combining both AI agents and automation, which really is this next game for 2025. This is about to be released. It's got some other cool features where you can just prompt it and it will write these templates automatically for you. And then it gets quite advanced what you can do inside these as well, and you can test them out. There are a huge number there's hundreds of different applications. We can also build new nodes for any applications. This is like having a Zapier or an N8N or a Make all built into the system so that you can complete these complex workflows. We've got some that have got a huge number of steps. We've got over 1,100 employees, so there's lots of things that go on. All of our team members in our outsourcing business are all empowered with AI so that they're taking an AI-first approach to all the work that they're doing. Oh, and if you want to sort of learn more, see more what we're doing, join along. Over on our YouTube channel, which is AI Powered People, you can see a whole range of different events that we put on. Every Friday, I put on which will be Thursday in the US, because I'm based in Bali in Indonesia, and my Australian accent you probably picked up. These live webinars you can build alongside me, and every time that we do one of these sessions, there's a full set of instructions that comes along with it, and so you can just copy and paste so you can actually get the reps up of learning how to do all this. We'll also be releasing some more detailed YouTube videos, especially as we get into these really long automations. Imagine this as an example. You could have your entire content strategy written for the year for Reels and then connect that to Hey Gen. And then Hey Gen would automatically make all of those videos for you, timed out. So you might only do like a month at a time because you might want to change things. Then send it off to CapCut for additional editing, all automated, each of these steps, and then save that information, have a human in the loop step so that you can check it before then having it scheduled for publishing. And it would all be done through the system here. Some really cool stuff coming.